What's up everybody, Riley here from Hodson Motors with our friends at Retro Manufacturing, going over their Newport DIN1/2 radio on our 1978 Dodge Ramcharger. These DIN1/2 Newport radios are a phenomenal upgrade if you have a DIN1/2 in your classic. These fit a plethora of different vehicles like 70s and 80s Dodges, like late 80s, early 90s Chevy trucks and Camaros and Corvettes. These fit Jeep Wrangler TJs. These fit a ton of different classic vehicles. Basically, if you've got a DIN1/2 radio in your classic ride, this is pretty much gonna fit, even if you have to make some slight modifications. We've done that in the past on a early 90s Dodge truck, showed you in another video. We'll link that down here in the description showing you how to do that. But again, if you've got a DIN1/2, this radio is gonna fit in your ride and it is a killer upgrade. So let's hop in and show you some of the features. All right, so we're in here inside the truck. Let's turn the key on so you can see when the Newport boots up just like any other RetroSound radio. However, the difference on these radios is it still uses the same chassis, the same deck on the back side of the radio. However, this whole entire faceplate is the faceplate. So there's no situating the faceplate, there's no brackets to install, there's no depth that you have to figure out on the knobs or anything like that. This all just comes pre-assembled. All you have to do is slide the control shafts through the faceplate, and then it comes with included washers that put it right at the perfect spot for you. So it's a real easy assembly. If you've done other retro manufacturing radios and seen, sometimes you have to go back and forth and put the radio in and out a couple times to get the shaft depth right and all that kind of stuff. With this, it's very quick and very easy. I really like using them. Use them in multiple different trucks for that reason. So the Newport radio is available in all the different motors that Retro Manufacturing offers, 1B, 2B, and 4HD. It's a killer option. Again, if you have a DIN1/2, this is gonna fit almost every single DIN1/2 truck or car out there available, and it's a humongous upgrade, and I would definitely suggest getting one. So thanks for watching this. Hope you liked it. Hope you liked the Newport radio. If you want a different styled DIN1/2 radio, Retro Manufacturing also offers the New York radio, which is again another DIN1/2 radio, but is a little more blingy, has a little more chrome in it, and is also a good option for a DIN1/2. So hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe to us here at Retro Manufacturing, and we'll catch you on the next one.